What's up, traders? I'm making this recap on a Saturday, going over the trades on Wednesday and Friday. On Wednesday, I just had one loss trade, and I didn't want to keep making the same one loss video, so I decided to wait for more trades. Thursday, I didn't take any trades, and Friday, man, you know when things can go wrong, actually go wrong all at the same time? Yeah, that's what happened to me on Friday. Not only trading-wise, but in life as well. Anyway, welcome to day 8 and 9 of 50K Trading Combine Challenge. Now, we're getting close to the max drawdown here, and I don't plan on failing, but if I do fail the Combine, I plan on starting another one. So if you guys like me to keep going with this series, and if you guys like these kind of recaps and insights, hit that like and subscribe button. Let's get right into the trade on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, we had this 1 hour fair value gap we're digging into. I thought I saw a decent reaction move down, so I wanted to get in on the continuation of this move. And on the initial entry, price started to go in my direction, which was great to see. But unfortunately, the price came back after a series of big red candles. I thought it had more room to go on the downside, so I held the trade, but it didn't work out. And then I set out for the rest of the day. In hindsight, I can always say, could have done this, should have done that, but I'm over it. Okay, on to Friday. Okay, let me tell you, Friday was the perfect storm of everything going wrong all at the same time. Maybe I should have taken the day off looking back, but that's all in hindsight. So to start off, I have another Combine account where I practice a few other strategies. I guess I got my accounts mixed up and I ended up using this challenge account for a dumb practice trade. So I started off the day down $115.30. Not a great start. And then I had to miss the New York Open because I had some work business I had to take care of. And by the time I came back, of course, I missed the winning trade that I would have taken. So yeah, not a great start to the day, but as long as I can redeem myself, I would have been fine. And see, this is where I was wrong. The disaster was just getting started. So right after I missed this trade, I thought the price would go for this daily high. So I set my order here hoping to catch the momentum up if it had any kind of deep correction. And then the price came back to tag me in, and then I got stopped. So that sting a little, and a little extra since I had that extra $115 I didn't have to lose on discount. But the name of the game is push on, so I moved on. And then for the next trade, after seeing that rejection from the top here, maybe the move was to the downside, so I wanted to get involved on a pullback. And guys, as soon as I set my order here and got tagged in, a personal emergency came up where I had to leave so I can make it to an appointment. I think I saw this move right here and moved my trade to break even. I thought it's a free trade now, but I was praying that it would hit the TP the whole time I was gone. But I guess Friday was one of those days when things that can go wrong went wrong. So when I came back, I said that the price came back. Would I have closed early? You know what? I'm not sure. I probably wouldn't have, but who knows? I'm on a losing streak and I lost money that I didn't have to lose in the beginning. So maybe closing out early would have helped with the mental side. But again, it's in hindsight, so who knows? So with that $115 in the pre-market, I didn't have to lose. P&L for day 8 and day 9, $336.20 in the red. And that puts my weekly P&L this week to $759.90 in the red. Big yikes. At this point, it's easy to think about the could'ves and should'ves, but it is what it is. I try not to blame any situation or circumstances, or even myself. I think I did the best that I could trying to put out the fires going on around me. It would be a dream to be able to trade in a vacuum with no emotions like a trading bot, but I also value the human side of trading, the good and bad. Even though this feels terrible in the moment, it's easy to have a doom and gloom mindset. I know Friday and this week was nowhere close to the worst days I had in trading. But now that I'm posting all my trades online, I definitely feel that extra pressure. But honestly, I enjoy doing this. Even if just one person finds encouragement from these recaps, then I think it's worth it. Whether you're going through the same emotions as me, going through a losing streak, or you're watching thinking, hey, at least I'm not this guy. Either way, I'm glad to have you guys here. But I still think day trading is very much a solo journey. We can build a community of traders that encourage each other and keep things positive, but it's still very much a journey you have to take on your own. These videos are not meant to be, I'm better than Dow, or I know something you guys don't know. It's more of documenting how I would go about this journey by myself, and I just happen to post it on YouTube for you guys to see. Anyway, I'll keep pushing on and hope for a better P&L next week, and ideally finish the month strong. Thank you guys as always for watching, and I'll be back on Tuesday since Monday is a holiday. Hope you guys have a safe weekend. Red signing out.